Here we have our new spin and slide demo. Here we have 4 of our compact FlexPro servo drives operating these 4 axes of motion together. We have the rotational axes that you see spinning back and forth currently, and in a moment you'll see them move side to side as well. Our click and move control system is also showcased in this demo. It's what's doing all this coordinated motion and ensuring that there is no intersection or collision going on with all these 4 axes of motion. But up here, the bread and butter, we have our FlexPro servo drives. These are very compact servo drive solutions. Very great for applications where you need a lot of power density, but size or weight can be a restricting factor. And so here you can see they're getting very close. The spinning either slowly or very quickly and not intersecting or colliding.